We're going to use the pen tool to add in some of our cross lines here and to teach you a few other tricks. So I have gone in and I have changed my line. You can see here my line now is very thin. So what I'm going to do is I want to go back over here to stroke, and I need to make the width the same as it was before, which was 3.5. And I'm also going to go, I'll hit enter, and I'm going to go over here to color. And right now my fill color is, so I've got this set to fill, and I want to set the color to black. So you can see here now that's changed my line. Now at the end of the line, this is a square. So the square means it's a straight line. If I click on it and hold it, it turns into a circle, which clues me in that I'm now going to have the handles that I can use to change it. Okay. Now so now what I'm going to do is I want to draw on another line. So I'm just going to hit escape. So that goes clear. So now I'm going to click over here and click over here. Again, they're squares. If I click and hold on here, they'll change to circles, and I can add another curve to that, and I'm going to hit escape. So that's one option for drawing in these different lines. Another option is to use a really cool trick that is built into the move tool here. If I hold down the control key, or sorry, the command key on my Mac, and I click on this and I hold, it will make a copy. So what I can do instead of just drawing, I can just go command, hold down the command key, click and hold. You have to hold the mouse button. If you let go, it won't work, okay? And again, hold down, click and hold. I can make a whole bunch of now lines. Now, obviously these lines aren't lined up, but actually what's cool about these is this kind of gives me a bit of symmetry in my board game because all of these lines will have the same curve to them. Now, clearly, this isn't going to work with them overlapping. So what I can do is I can zoom in. If I hold down the Option key, I'm using my scroll wheel right now. That will zoom me right in. And now I can go back to my node tool, and if I click on these, it will give me the nodes at the end, and I can just go in here and I can drag those down. Another option is if I go to my stroke over here, I can choose how I cap the line. So right now it's a curved cap. A butt cap will cap it right with the end of the line. So actually, in some cases, a butt cap might actually be more useful to me because I can get it to join up with this without any of it sticking out the end there. Because you can see here with the curved end, there's a little bit more line sticking out than with the butt cap. So I can do that, put a butt cap on there, drag it down. So using a combination of the node tool, changing the kind of cap you have on your stroke, and the node tool to allow me to adjust my stroke length, you can start to play around with adding other kinds of strokes to your design. So once again, I go get my move tool up here. I hold down the command key on a Mac or the control key on a PC. I click and hold, and then I can just make copies of different shapes in Affinity.